Too much versus so much. Have you heard of them used in English conversations? I'm sure you have. Does it seem confusing when you come across them? Well, they might seem subtle to you because you are an English language beginner, but to natives, the difference is crystal clear. Don't worry, if you watch this one till the end, I'm quite certain you'll learn how to use each one the right way. So stick around. Hi, welcome back to Everyday English. I'm Zoe. I hope you are all great. Let's start with the expression too much. Too much is not a lot, but it's very common to take that. Too much is often used as an adverb or an adjective. It typically means more than what is needed or more than necessary. Also, too much tends to be negative because anything too much is not good or unacceptable. Let's pause for a second and focus on too. To express excess. Every time to plus an adjective or an adverb, the expression has negative connotation to it, like too hard, too expensive, too much. For instance, I ate too much cake at the party. I ate too much cake at the party. If you notice, the sentence have excess indication to it. Because I ate too much cake, now I'm feeling uncomfortable. Probably I should have eaten less. Now so much. So much means a lot. It can be used when you want a stronger way of saying a lot. When you say so much, it's not necessarily negative or positive. It just means a lot. Let's pause again for a second and focus on the word so. So is similar to very, but a bit stronger. So big, so hot, so warm, using so to emphasize the adjective or the adverb to a higher degree. For instance, the food was delicious at the party. The food was so delicious at the party. Using so in the second sentence make the statement stronger. Let's go back to so much now. For instance, there was so much food at the party. There was so much food at the party. Here, it means there was a lot of food at the party to a higher degree. If you're unsure what to use, too much or so much, you can go with a lot. It still works fine. But if you still got doubts and want to avoid them, you can go with these ones instead. Loads, tons, heaps, and mountains. For instance, I ate loads of cake at the party. Loads is more of a British term. For American English term, you can use tons. I ate tons of cake at the party. For an Australian English term, you can use heaps. I ate heaps of cake at the party. And the last one, I have mountains of homework to finish. Thank you so much for watching. I hope by now you got the whole meaning of too much versus so much. Please consider the thumbs up and subscribe if you like this one. Take care, everybody.